Hello, my name is Ebony Burnett. I'm the Vice President of Strategic Partnerships at ShiftEd. And one of the challenges that we have recognized at ShiftEd is that we have a lot of community partners and a lot of resources in our community, but a lot of them are working in silos. And so the problem that we have been working to solve is how do we get all those partners to work together towards a shared goal, shared outcomes, shared metrics for students. We want to develop a North Star. And so we did that through the Aligning Resources for Collective Impact initiative. So what's worked so far for this initiative, for the Aligning Resources for Collective Impact initiative, is bringing together community partners on a regular basis. So we've been having quarterly convenings where we bring partners together to think deeply about the needs of students and their families. We have also begun to build capacity for those organizations. So not only are they pouring into others every single day, we make sure that we pour into them and make sure that they are building capacity to lead when they lead these convenings. So it's an opportunity to connect, to rejuvenate, and to learn. So these convenings have been extremely valuable in working with and building the supports that organizations need to thrive.
I'm Amanda Roseman. I'm the Chief Impact and Operations Officer for ShiftEd. Our solution really benefits immediately the other nonprofit organizations who are working in this community by, as Ebony said, building capacity and aligning the work that we're doing. Long-term solutions, we are working to solve eliminate economic mobility barriers for students and families, better equipping our students and families to live fulfilling lives right here in Guilford County. In order to know if this work is actually impacting students and families, we've broken our work into 4 areas. One being collaborative education, the second being workforce development, the third really focus on community empowerment opportunities, and the fourth being access to those essential resources that students and families need to thrive. Within those 4 buckets, there are 7 strategies, all with metrics to know if we're moving the needle and actually positively impacting students and families' ability to reach economic mobility and economic sustainability within their lifetimes.
We have about 50 partners involved in this work. And so instead of me trying to name all of them, I'll let our work speak for itself.
This is a time for us to collaborate, share time together, be in space together, and think about the needs of children and families in Guilford County. Now, we know that right now, sometimes we work in silos, and that's not the most effective. But when we align our resources and pool our strengths together, we are going to change the game for children and families in Guilford. So the time is now. We are all together doing this big work.
This is where all of the decision makers are going to be. This is where conversation starts, but conversation is not where it stops.
We know as a community organization that there are a ton of organizations in Guilford County, all doing really amazing work. And we know that our impact can be that much greater when we really align our resources and align the things that we're doing to ensure we're reaching the largest number of people as possible.
This can have an economic impact on our community and our region, and we can lead in this space, and it all happens through the collaboration of people who share a mission to care for kids and families.
My hope for every student in Guilford County is that they have the opportunity to thrive in their learning environment and better be equipped for the rest of their career journey. I want that for every student, no matter what socioeconomic background they come from, what family status they come from, or what other opportunities that life may present for them. I want them to be able to find their purpose in life.
My hope is that we can create long-term sustained change. I don't want this work to just be the nice new shiny toy that people want to participate in. I hope that we're able to develop long-term relationships and create actionable activities and items that we can do as a community that can change the lives of our kids.